Let's go to the zoo. Oh, okay, Mom. Okay, guys. Okay, son, let's go now. Oh, look, son, it's a giraffe. Oh, I wanna touch it. Hey, don't touch that. You're gonna die because that is a hungry giraffe.
So for today,
Oh, I don't need Minto. I'm sorry. Yay! Huh? How is this in blood? I told you not to touch it. Oh, my son, your hand. Let me see your hand. Oh, what have you done to my son? Because you let your son touch the giraffe. Give me money though because I need to go to the doctor. Okay, here. Okay.
I put here my jacket. Yeah.
Let's go to the doctor, son. Let's go.
To pay my
Here you go, the money. Here you go, the money. Okay, you deserve it. So let me check your son's hand. Over here.
Oh, my son
Is this extended?
So
Yes, you have. Let me check. You only have 2 minutes survive because the virus is infected. Okay, I need to do it now, quickly. Okay. Oh,
my baby.
thank you. Oh, are you a professional doctor? Yes, I'm a professional doctor. Oh, thanks for saving my child. Okay, thanks. See you tomorrow. Bye.